In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search sellers with eBay Store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up listings from a specific eBay seller or store using eBay's built-in advanced search, which is the most reliable way to zero in on a trusted shop or compare inventory quickly. Start on the eBay homepage. Instead of typing into the main search bar, look for the advanced link near the search field. On desktop, it usually sits to the right of the search box. Click Advanced to open the dedicated search tools. This page gives you more control over what you see, and it's the gateway to searching by seller. Once you're on the advanced search page, find and click the section labeled by seller. This tells eBay you want to filter results based on the account that's listing the items rather than by keywords alone. It's especially helpful if you follow a favorite store, want to check new arrivals from a particular reseller, or need to verify what a known seller currently has in stock. Next, choose the option for specific sellers. This narrows the scope so eBay only returns items from the exact seller or sellers you specify. If you see options to include or exclude sellers, make sure you're set to include, since the goal here is to focus on certain stores rather than filter them out. Now, type the seller user IDs. Enter the exact eBay username for the store you're interested in. Spelling and punctuation must match the seller's ID, though capitalization this typically isn't critical. A helpful tip is to copy the username directly from the seller's store page or from one of their listings to avoid typos. If you're searching more than one seller, add them just as the field allows. Follow the on-screen hint for how to separate multiple IDs. If you aren't seeing results later, the most common cause is a small typo or a seller with no active listings. With the seller IDs entered, click Search. eBay will load results from those specific sellers. From here, you can refine further using the filters on the left or top. Choose a category, set a price range. Pick a condition like new or used, or narrow by buying format such as buy it now. These filters don't change the steps you took, they just help you get to the right item faster. If you plan to revisit these sellers often, consider saving the search so you can access it quickly next time. That's all there is to it. Using Advanced by Seller, Specific Sellers. Entering the user IDs and hitting Search gives you a clean list of items from the exact stores you care about.